Wednesday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. Walked out this morning and I wrote down the song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I just can't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I've seen fire and I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. Just a few things coming my way around now. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you one more time again. Thought I'd see you, but I'd see you, fire and rain.
That's good.